Yep, that's right, a trio of vice. 1, 2 and 3. A britool, a record 2VS and a Samsung. So we'll start with this. Now, I've done a little experiment on my last video. YouTube keeps asking me to pay to promote my videos. So I thought, well, what happens if I do pay? So I paid them. And it works out roughly $1 per 10 views. And I got a lot of subscribers out of it. So that means YouTube algorithm knows where to send my videos. But they don't do it unless I pay. So, the algorithm and YouTube can go fuck itself. I'm going to stop making videos if that's how it works. So please enjoy this video and any more that may appear or may not appear, because I just don't know how many more there will or won't be. Well, this is crap buy of the month. No swivel base. The nut wasn't attached inside, the pin was broken. There's no spring, there's no washer, and the pin's broken again on the drive screw. So it just will not work as a vice at the moment. So I contacted the seller and said, perhaps you should test your stuff before you send it. And they said they did test it and it was fully working. Maybe they just tested it as a fucking doorstop. So I'm going to run this through the degreaser, give it a quick clean up, a wipe, let's take it over to the wire wheel, tape it, spray it, and get it back up for sale. I hate unlucky vices, I want it gone. With the cost of the spring, the paint, without the time, I will be lucky to break even on this pig of advice. In case this is my last video, I would like to thank all you loyal subscribers that do watch every one of my videos. This vice about sums YouTube up. All that work for absolutely nothing. Right, let's get on to a decent vice, shall we? When I see this one coming up advertised, I thought, I've got to have it. The casting looks good, the jaws look good. Got to have it. So I got it. Somewhere way back in my vice playlist, I did one of these in green. There we go. So just keep pulling it till it all falls apart, alright? There we go. Lovely jubbly. Alright. And there's that. Look at that. It's still finished in the old red oxide. Right. A massive thank you to everyone that's watched all my old videos. And I'm going to say, bye. Maybe not just for now. Maybe it's a proper bye. There's always the Handy Dad Workshop channel.